looking to put the finishing touches on this match.
Oh my God! He's slowing down!
Starting to move.
Ali rolling. RKO! Rollins with a stop to Lesnar. Roman Reigns. RKO by Orton. Watch it again. And now Mercury at RKO. And on the outside, top boot up pin.
Unbelievable resurrection for The Undertaker.
Doing. If I can see one flaw in Carlito's.